to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing for you. Unboxing knife of the day is the Benchmade Super Freak. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh man, we did not cut it well enough. Try to play a little too safe. I know exactly what this is, but you guys may not. This does not want to open. Jesus. It's the time to sharpen the Super Freak? I haven't even used it that much. This dude's using like frickin' Kevlar frickin' bubble wrap. There we go. Oh boy. So we got this in because I couldn't get my hands on a 8020 anytime soon. Oh my goodness. Put this into perspective. It's just as big, if not bigger, than the Super Freak. Holy shit. Wow. So ergonomically already it feels cool. Scorpion lock, take a little bit of getting used to. This thing is not broken in at all, so it's a little bit difficult. But first time flipping a Scorpion lock, playing with it. Find this thing highly interesting. And like I said, it is a very, very large knife. Oh, stupid large. Let's get my Xfinity card. That's saving me some money. Comes in pretty sharp, so we are not mad about that. And it's probably the largest knife that I currently own. And I'm not mad. I get it. I think I get it with it. So, we'll get used to it. But this is the Cold Steel 8015 Scorpion Lock Green G10. Yeah. So, I shut this off pretty early. But I didn't talk about blade play. There's no side to side whatsoever. Fit and finish of this Cold Steel. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at that. But yeah, no side to side. The action, you could tell it's going to break in. Nice. And the one thing you're going to have to get used to is I want to flick it, but I keep pinching it right here. So you got to flick it without really paying. And reverse flicking it will happen. But so far, ergonomics feel nice. The carry, you could probably use a better pocket clip. The fit and finish feels great. No back and forth, no up and down. Let's give you guys a quick profile look here. This one's going to be choppy because I ended it too soon, but just let you guys kind of check this out. I got excited. I shut it off because I wanted to go play with it. So this is a Scorpion lock. You can see those pins locking in the backside there. Just pull back and go. This is the first knife that I've ever had with the blade tang is showing out here, and it's kind of sharp. It's definitely not knocked down at all, which is fine. This jimping is stupid aggressive there. But I'm telling you, this thing's ergonomics in both positions feel great. Absolutely fantastic. And it's got this unique fidget factor to it. I thought this was going to be a catcher and release, and so far I don't see this happening. I think I need to have this in my arsenal at least for a short while. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, jeez. My name is Tyler. This has just been a short unboxing of the 8015. Review will come within about a week, plus or minus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay sharp. Stay safe. Have a great freaking day, guys.